What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. We got the Maxx Slash here. A lot of drama around this truck. A lot of negativity, people saying that doesn't drive well, doesn't jump well. Let me tell you, I've been driving it and I love this thing. It drives great. It's really fast. Out the box, I think it was just engineered to be like, like a short course truck. It doesn't have the best grip, doesn't jump the best, but it's really good in loose terrain. It's good for, sliding around, sand, gravel type of thing. It's great in that. I can spend all day drifting around things and power sliding it and doing mild jumps. Not happy.
Is it not running?
No.
What happened?
Just started cutting out, and I thought it was the battery, so I got more, and now I got the flashing red lights.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
All three of them?
Yep.
Oh.
All right. We are back out here 5 months later with the Maxx Slash. Last time I was out here, I ended up blowing up the ESC or motor, one of the two. Traxxas replaced them both under warranty, and I just had them sitting around. I've been wrapped up in other RC projects, and I finally got around to getting this thing back up and going. So let's give it a rip. We're at my proving grounds, so a lot of people wondering why I like coming here. You got gravel, you got asphalt, you got a nice slick surface for drifting. You got the baseball field for, drifting around also. And you got the skate park over there. So all around, there's a lot of terrain here, and I love coming here and just ripping around. It's a great time. Brand new ESC. We got the green light. It's a little moist today, but it's a good thing I have the Scorch RC fenders. It'll keep this area nice and clean. See, the LEDs are not on, so let's see if I can enable them with the Traxxas link. Of course, needs an update. Every time I turn this thing on, it needs an update. Begin update. All right, we are back. We are updated. Our LEDs are on, so we are good to go. I'm gonna run 6S. I have 4S batteries, but it's been so long since I've driven this thing, I really want to rip it on 6S. Yes! Freaking love this truck. This is definitely its playground. Woo! Friggin' thing rips. Whoa, shit. All right. So much for drifting around the tree. Yeah. All right, and that's it. I don't know, what was that, 4 minutes and I already got low voltage cutoff? What is going on? Come on. That can't be it. 4 minutes, but that was the best 4 minutes of my life. All right, so we have a blinking red light. Let's restart this thing. All right, let's give it a second. We're good to go. Green. All right. So yeah, I'm not sure why it does this, but motor and ESC are brand new, so I don't know. All right, we are back, baby. Oh yeah. Nope, just kidding. What the hell? All right, and that was that. Dead. Good thing I brought some battery packs. Let's try a different set, I guess. All right, we got that blinking. I think that's voltage. All right. No problemo. Let's swap batteries. All right, I'm gonna load up my Spectrum 6800s next. They're two 6800 milliamp hour batteries. These things should last quite a while on this, so if it dies in a couple minutes, then we have a problem. Using the Garage Life RC strap for this, because I do not have any Traxxas batteries, nor do I plan on ever getting any. All right, we're gonna see how fast we can get this thing. So I got my GPS installed on it. I've never speed run this car, and this is not the optimum conditions for it, but we got some tarmac over there, so we'll just send it through. So track start. All right, we got no propulsion. All right, just kidding. Oh man, this truck is great when it runs, not so much when it doesn't. Let's see if it runs this time. Nothing. Hell. Come on. What do we freaking blow another motor in 3 seconds? Oh no. 3 lights are on. Come on, dude. don't feel any binding. All right, let's give it a second. Trying to think here. All right, we're green now. All right, alive again. Jesus. It's like I can't win with this thing. All right, let's try that again. All right. All right, seems like it has more power too. Woo! Like I said, this thing is awesome when it runs. Not so much when it doesn't. All right, I'm gonna set it down there. Have it fly in. That was awesome. Let's see what it did. Stop, read, 53, not bad. That thing was flying. Yeah. Friggin' beast. Oh. Damn. Oh man. Holy crap. So what happened was it hit a jump, totally lost control of the steering, and the idea was to send it through here, top speed, but yeah, that did not work out well. Whoops. Oh man, that was my fault. Well, not all my fault, but it's doing pretty good up until I hit that bump. Oh, all right. Guess we're gonna have to make a part 2 of this video. Yeah, it looks like we just ripped off the hub. Everything else looks all right. Yeah. Whoopsie-doo. Let's bring it back. You can see the skid marks when I was trying to brake. So I hit a bump, I think that bump right there, and I was just going way too fast, and you can see we nailed that. Damn. Man,